In this video, I'm going to show you how you could use Streisand. So basically what Streisand is like a proxy app. It's basically like a VPN, you could say. And if you don't know what you're doing, you might cause some problems when you try to connect. So first things first, what you want to do to get all these servers I have right here, press on this plus in the top right, and you have all the ways of importing the configurations. So you could configure it manually by putting all this information in, and it takes a long time. I don't recommend this way. The two ways I recommend is either import from clipboard or scan your QR code for your configuration. So this can be hard if you don't know what you're talking about. So basically, you could import it. You could import it as a file, or you could just use this link right here. I don't know why it's not showing the whole link. Wait. So basically, edit. So this whole link right here, I will be putting it in the description of the video. You could use this if you want. So once you copy this link, what you're gonna do, press plus and then press import from clipboard. Okay, and that's basically what you do. Next, subscription. You're gonna make sure you press update on open. If you it just basically updates your subscription whenever you open the app. Routing. You could enable this if you want, but that's if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you could like mess everything up. Tunnel. Yeah, you can look through this. Ping. So ping, yeah, it's very self-explanatory if you played any like games and stuff. DNS. I've heard that 1.1.1.1 is like the fastest. So if you want to change it to that, you could. Reset. This is how you could reset everything if something goes wrong. And yeah, that's basically it. So the way to get it to work, you press on one of these servers you got here from putting in the link. US. Let's just say US. And then you press on this big blue power on button. Press allow. Connecting, and boom, it's connected. As you see, you have a VPN service. Okay, and yeah, that's basically it for Streisand. Let me know if you need other videos on Streisand, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.